Also, I want to go here first. Okay, I can't really... Do I need to travel all the way back? Or I need to travel back to my respite and come here? This is... they have to do something with fast travel or something like easy travel. What is this? Because I don't want to go down this tower. That is also a headache. It's a maze, right? So it takes a very long time for me to go back. Also, yeah, the traps still exist. Okay, let me see if I can go back quickly. If enemy spawned, I'm not fighting. I'm just heading out. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oof. Let's see now. I need to go that direction. I need to cross this ravine, right? Yeah. Come on, jump. Okay. Now, in this direction. Talk to Aurelio. Once I do that, I should be able to complete this quest. Then I will head back to my base, build the upgrade bench, try to see if I can put the charm. Oh, it's a wolf. I'm not fighting you guys. Okay.
Returning again to seek a bit of realm walking wisdom. Oh, that explains you marching up like a peafowl. Did you feel galvanized
Peafowl.
as you faced down the Fae's ancient haunts?
There's plenty to
Cruelty
murder.
should be dispelled with your dung in these wilds.
With your dung. What is this? Okay, I got so many
As
different
part of
things.
your reward, I've given you the final essential realm walking tool, a Red Cross surveying spyglass. for scouting threats among the wilds. I have fond memories of my first spyglass as a boy. Handle yours with care, and let it bring near that which hides far. As for those essences, could you feel the radiant energy resonating from them? Let's hope so, for they will become vital in your second trial if you're ready.
I'm ready.
Now that you've proven you can handle this realm, the second trial will ensure you are ready to venture into the wider unknown. Realm diving is the way of the walker, after all. Prove that you can put those essences to good use, and that you have explorer's spirit of self-sufficiency. These wilds will provide the base, but you must be able to craft it into what you need. For this trial, you must take those scavenged essences and transform them into both infusion and enchantment. Two forms of magic that will prove invaluable on your dives. I see that weary look in your eye, but fear not. I shan't send you deep through the portals just yet. Only back to your camp, where whatever it lacks, you are free to construct. From raw experience comes knowledge. When you hold the magic of the Feywilds in your own two hands, return and tell me what you've learned.
Hey, build a simple upgrade bench. Okay, perfect. And I assume, yeah, everything is done. Let's travel to Respite. Oh man, I have to wait till the world is created. There's a lot of waiting to do in this game. uh, or until at least the game is polished. Let me at least take some free loot. Did I really take that much? Yeah. I don't want to run into any enemies. Oh my god. Okay. You guys, help me. There are enemies over there. Come on, fight, fight, fight. Estelle is the only one fighting. These guys are just standing there looking at her. She just killed him. Never mind, she is fine. Oh. There was tier 2 essence over there. It's fine. A weird feeling that every single time a realm is created, it's not just a portion of the map, but the entire map is loading. Like the entire map is loading. That's what I feel like. Which is very weird. Spyglass. Do I need to equip that? Yes. Oh. What? It's not even zooming in. What is this? Also, left click is not doing much. Oh, left click zooms in after you equip the spyglass. Okay. I got 153 of this. Okay. Nice. So then, let's see. Let me make... Okay, why does it say everything is new every single time? Why? Okay, augmentation. Tabber rack. Simple tea set. crude portal. Let's see how big this is. This is quite small. And does it snap? It's not snapping. So you place it on your foundation. Oh, okay. Okay. So then let's see. Augmentation, no, base, stone foundation, crude upper floor, crude foundation stone, that is crude foundation, that is wood. Place. No. Okay. So it constructed all of these. Okay. So let's see. So I can place one more of this, and then probably I can... Oh, I can't destroy it either. What is this? Okay, let's see if I can do something with my hammer. Hammer. Okay. So if I equip a hammer, can I do something? What does this do? No, that's an attack. Okay. So I can't do much even with a hammer. Put the spyglass over there. I need the hunting knife for sure. Blade. Huh. Thread. Lumber. Bound fiber, plant fiber, another plant fiber. Like, oh my god, you need so much inventory space. Okay. Crafting benches. This is the upgrade bench. Shall I just place it here? Yeah. Ah, I need stone and lumber. Nice. Okay, now I will head back. Like, I really want to move this thing, but I can't move that thing. That's the only gripe that I have. Okay, you can upgrade your equipment. Upgrading equipment. Okay. Let's see. Tier 2 essence. Okay. Craft. Nice. Okay, I have upgraded this. Oh, I can no longer upgrade it now. So this has become tier 2. Okay, what is this? 36! Okay. Constancy infusion. Durability. What? Essence. Okay, what does that give me? Okay, I don't want this though. Nope, nope, nope. Get this out. Okay, anyway. So cleansing card, recovery enchantment, weak human seal, infusion and enchantment. Okay. Apply. Nice. Okay, now let me remove this. 20 essence stars, draw, inspect, equip. So I lose my charm? Is that what you're saying? Once you equip it, you can't unequip the charm? Oh no. Okay, next is craft enchantment. Enchantment is this. Weak human seal. Tier 1 essence. Weak human seal. What? No, 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 no. I'm not using that. I'm using this. Yeah. There is no way I'm using the tier 2 bones for that. Yeah. Wait, what is this? Animal fiber. Put that. Put this, maybe? Yeah. And also, I think I crafted a couple of things. Yes. Tier 1 essence. Tier 1 essence. Honestly, this is the easiest one. Wood bundle is the easiest one. So let me extract from this. Okay, sort of this back. From here. Craft an enchantment. Autofill. Nice. Craft. Okay. Let me come here. I have 179 tier 2 essence. How did I get so much? Oh, it's from that Fate Tower. I got so much over there. Okay. I won't upgrade these though. No, 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 no. I don't want to upgrade these. Yeah. Apply an enchantment to an uncommon item. So this one.
What confounding and delightful daubry. It is a fine trick humanity hath devised,
Okay.
like a babe learning to...
Is that it? Oh my god. That guy. There is too much talking. Let's see. This enchantment rapidly heals the caster and can be charged for a more powerful effect. Amount healed and duration increases with the caster's magic power. Okay. Okay. I have a feeling I can't apply this to the gun. I have to apply it to some armor or something. That's what I'm feeling like. Yeah. No. Acquire enchanted item. Oh, it says item. Okay. Let's see. Let's do this. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, okay. So it has to be a weapon, sort of, but it cannot be. So you cannot apply a charm and an enchantment to the same one. Yeah. Rare quality. Okay, you can put 3 enchantments. Okay, so if I put this on, so now I have this spell. Rapidly heals the caster. Okay. Craft infusion. Infusion, this one. Is it any essence? Craft. Oh, it's with any essence. Okay, I have tier 2. Let me just do that. Infusion. And that I assume will be another weapon. Wait a second. I could have done it for... Oh, I cannot upgrade it more, right? Yeah, I can't upgrade it more than once with this upgrade table. Acquire infused item. I can apply this. Oh! I can apply it to that. Wait, what is this, by the way? Durability 5. When applied to equipment, this infusion provides increased durability. For what it is? Really? Okay. I'll probably do it to this thing. Wait. It has a spell. Can I apply... Wait, let me see then. Yeah, I can apply an infusion to an already enchanted weapon. Okay. Okay. It's 57 out here. Talk to Aurelio. Yes, score 40 out of 60. Okay. Now, let's see. Clothing average is 23. Yeah. So I need to upgrade all of my clothing to probably 40. That's the next task. And then I also need to talk to Aurelio. Stone blocks. Yeah. Also, I need to upgrade my base a little bit and then do the... Where is that? This one. I need to place this somewhere. I want to place this somewhere like this. In the center. Like, ideally it should be over there. But I can't move that stupid thing. Okay, I'll just put it over here. It's fine. Yeah. What? Lumber? Ingots? Wire? Ore. Yeah, I don't have any ore, right? Yes, I did. I need to go get a bunch of those. Okay. Next is storage. I need one more of these. Wait, can I place one on top of the other? No. Although it sort of snaps on that, but it does not. I'm not able to place it. Weird. Okay. But I can place it really close to each other. Okay. Can I easily access these? Yeah. Okay. Plant fiber. Nice. Okay. Now let's see. I just now realized that I have been placing all of these storage boxes in reverse. Ah, it's fine. Nope. Spyglass, let me keep that. I want to try how that works. So let me do that. Yeah, that's good. That is good for now. What is the weight? 1 kgs, 15.3 kgs, and 1 kg. Oh my god. Okay. First repair all. Nice. Oh, I'm probably using the tier 2 essence to repair, right? Oh no. Okay. Anyway, now I think I will sleep. Okay. I'm good to go. Oh man. Yeah. Okay. Now let me eat this. Maybe eat this. Okay. Now I'm good. Nice. Okay. Now I should. I can't build this, so I was expecting to teleport from my base itself, but I don't have this. So I need to go all the way over here to the portal, right? And then teleport to Aurelio and see where to go. Like, I need to talk to him to unlock the next quest. Of course, the gear score is there. That is something that I have to do. But if I unlock some new recipe or something like better gear, I won't try to upgrade my current gear. That's what I was thinking. So yeah, I will go talk to him. But I will continue this tomorrow from where I left off. So tomorrow I will go to the portal and talk to Aurelio and continue the quest. But today I did a lot of progress. I completed the antiquarium first, traveled to the new realm, even completed a fate tower over there, and did lots of like base upgrades, lots of gear upgrades. Like nice. I have even got a ranged weapon now. Did enchantments, infusion, charms, like yeah, lots of stuff that I did today. Even though it streamed for just 2 hours, it was just a lot of stuff that I did. So I'm quite happy. I really wish I find a like a tool or something which helps me move my built stuff. Like right now, I can't move the stuff that I have built. That's the only thing that I have. Apart from that, everything else is fine. So yeah, with that, I'll be ending my stream now. So thank you everyone. See you guys tomorrow.